Hi class, this story is going to help us learn about the letter J and practice finding it on a picture and saying its sound. And the J says ja. We're also going to practice our different story elements. So we're going to be talking about our characters and our setting, which is the place where the story takes place, and if there's any problems and how they solve those problems. So this is Jolly the Jogger, and her special letter is the letter J. So we have a capital J and a small j. Here we go. Far away in a jungle, jumping with animals, lived Jolly Jogger. Jolly was one of the fastest joggers in all the land. Jogging is another name for running. She jogged through the jungle many times each day. Jolly always wore a jacket when she jogged. She liked to collect junk from the jungle and put it in her jacket pockets. Jolly liked to juggle too. She could juggle her junk and jog at the same time. The jungle creatures loved to see her jogging by and juggling. That's pretty tricky if you can jog and juggle at the same time. I don't think I could do that. One day, while Jolly was jogging in the jungle, she heard something. Ja, 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 ja. What could that be? What do you think that is? I want you to look at the picture and make a prediction. What do you think could be making that sound? Oh, the sound became louder and louder as she jogged along. Ja, 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 ja. You try it. She seemed to be getting closer and closer to the sound. Finally, she saw an old, deserted Jeep right here. The sound was coming from there. Help me. Ja, 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 ja. Jolly peeked inside the Jeep and saw a Jaguar. How is that Jaguar feeling? I'm looking at his face and he doesn't look like he's feeling very well. He was trapped inside and could not free himself. He looked so frightened and helpless. As he squirmed around, he made this sound. Ja, 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 ja. Jolly said to the Jaguar, "Just a minute, Mr. Jaguar, I'll get you out. I think that we found the problem in our story. That Jaguar's stuck. How do you think they're going to fix that?" Jolly jiggled, jerked, and jumped, and jiggled, and jerked, and jumped some more on that old Jeep. She loosened the Jaguar from its trap. You could see the joy in the Jaguar's eyes. He was so happy to be free again. She fixed the problem. Jolly and the Jaguar jogged along together through the jungle. Jolly told the Jaguar jokes while she impressed him with her juggling. When Jolly and the Jaguar got to Jolly's house, they drank juice from a jug. The Jaguar thanked Jolly and jumped into the jungle. Remember, the J says J, and I see lots of J's in the pictures. I see one here. I want you to go back through and watch the story again. This time, see how many J's you can find. And remember, watch for that problem and the solution to the story.